Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Meta AI. So as you know, AI is an application that can help you get all the information from all over the world in a few seconds. So let's open your WhatsApp, and on the top bar you can see ask Meta AI or search. You want anything you want to know, you can search here. So here there are many options what you want to know. I need help with my school projects, so I'm doing this because if you're a student, so it's very helpful for you to get information about your studies. So here I'm going to ask him a question, and Meta AI give me answer in a few seconds. You can see first of all he goes to like what you want to know. So what you want to know, you have to say I want to know how many days there in a week. This is a practice, like this is a procedure. I'm going to show you how you can ask him anything. Meta AI give you answers in a few minutes. That is so easy. You can learn anything from all over the around the world easily. So let's ask Meta AI questions with me. So first of all, I ask him how many days are there in a year. Then the next question is what is the leap year. So you can see how he explained, like perfectly explain everything. You can learn anything about your projects, about your studies, about technologies, anything you want to know. This is a very useful application, a WhatsApp system that you can ask easily questions, and the Meta AI give you answers in a few seconds. Hopefully you like this video and enjoy the video. This is very informative video. Literally, I don't know how to ask him, like what to ask him. I don't have any questions right now, but if you have any questions, your study related, your life related, your work job related, anything, if you want to go and interview, you ask him the content and all the thing. This Meta AI give you right questions answers in a few seconds. Hopefully you enjoy this video. This video is very informative. So now I'm asking him what is the famous game in the world, like any knowledge question you want to know. Meta AI help you with that. Hope so friends you like this video and enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned with the new video. Thanks for watching the video.